After 18 months of unprecedented and crippling strike action, a deal for the junior doctors.
We're recommending it to our members because it is a credible offer. It addresses inflation for the previous 2 years and shows that there is scope for the rest of the pay that's been lost to be recouped in the future.
The latest government offer includes a backdated rise of around 4% for 2023-2024. That's on top of the existing increase of around 9% for that year. An additional 6% increase is then being offered for this year, topped up with an extra £1,000 payment, bringing the total over 2 years to an average of 22%. The offer still has to be voted on by junior doctors. Only then will the government be able to say it's achieved in 3 weeks what the previous government failed to do in a year and a half. The Health Secretary knows he has to bring these strikes by the junior doctors to an end if he is to have any real impact on the NHS waiting list. But the deal that's been offered to the BMA might set a dangerous precedent. Other healthcare staff, such as nurses, midwives and paramedics, were also offered a pay rise today. Medical technician and Unite member David Donoghue says while he's pleased for junior doctors, other NHS staff deserve bigger pay awards too.
We've been offered less than a quarter of their settlement. It's a fraction, and it's a little bit disappointing to say the least, and a lot of our members are going to be quite unhappy with that. We would like to be able to campaign for further restorative pay rises for NHS workers as well.
Healthcare workers aren't the only public sector pay workers being offered more pay. Teachers like Deborah Eggleston will join firefighters, police and prison officers in receiving above-inflation pay rises.
For me, it's the ability to not have to say, not have to actually make hard decisions about what we buy in the house and the, the activities that we do.
Underpaid! A potential end to the junior doctor strike won't cure the NHS, and problems in the rest of the public sector won't be fixed by above-inflation pay rises. But after 18 months of disruption, the government will hope that this will finally bring positive change. Ashish Joshi, Sky News.